Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make onion rings from scratch at home. So let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to mix up our batter. We got 1 cup of flour. To that we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic, ½ teaspoon salt, and a dash of pepper. Give that a little bit of mix. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of beer. Mix that in there as well. And then we're going to crack an egg in there. Going to blend that all together until it makes a nice little paste. Now it's ready, we're going to get our onions ready, and we're going to heat up our fryer, and then we're ready to fry them. Alright, now that the batter is ready, we're going to take our onions, we're going to dip them in the batter, get a nice even coat all around. We're going to take it out, make sure we get that excess dripped off, and then into the fryer. Next ring. And we're going to go about a minute or two just to get that golden brown coat on the outside and the onion is fully cooked. Make sure we're flipping the rings over so that they get evenly cooked on both sides. And we're just waiting for that golden brown so that they're ready. That first one should be ready now. Nice beautiful golden round ring. Going to set that rest aside so it can grip off. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, now we're going to go ahead and fry up the rest of these. And there we have our homemade onion rings. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.